Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung ano yung energies ng inyong love life ngayong May 2026. This is a general reading, so pwede kayong makarelate, pwede hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can directly book sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. So let's see, Cancer. What is the energy ng inyong love life May 2026? Guidance from above. Okay, so maaring naghahanap kayo ng guidance, clarity sa situation nyo in your relationship. You are trying to understand kung ano yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon sa connection mo. Maaring you're going through some challenges in your relationship, in your connection with your person. Gusto mo ng wisdom, kung ano yung makakabuti para sa inyo. Okay, maari kasing marami kang expectations, ayan, sa person that you're dealing with. You may also have this feeling of this person is your twin flame or your soulmate. Minsan kasi yun na yung talaga, parang nagiging absolute natin na belief na itong person na to, twin flame ko siya. We are meant to be together. Pero kahit na you are already in a difficult situation with this person, talagang tinutuloy mo pa rin kahit na challenging. So kung meron kayo naririnig na maingay sa background, yan yung bunso ko, pasensya na. Pag na-excite siya kasi, nanonood siya ng TV. Nagsisisigaw. Anyway, let's see what else. You are also embracing your uniqueness and offering it as a special gift to the world. So, I feel like you are, realizing your worth sa pangkalahatan, okay? Gusto mong makita na you are being loved or you are being appreciated in your relationship, or gusto mong makita na ikaw ay pinahahalagahan sa connection that you are dealing with. And maari ngayon, may mga changes kang ginagawa to improve yourself, to improve how you look, how you present yourself. Kasi syempre, di ba, part din yan ng relationship na ipakita mo na inaalagaan mo yung sarili mo para mas maalagaan mo rin yung relationship na meron ka. So, you're putting value sa sarili mo. You have the 5 of Wands. So, meron dito, some of you, may mga clashes. Nagkakaroon ng conflict sa connection mo with your person. Pwede kasing may competition sa inyo kung sino yung mas magaling, sino yung successful. Lalo na kung ang relationship that you're dealing with is someone na insecure sa'yo. Insecure, let's say, maaring mas good looking ka sa kanya, mas presentable ka sa kanya, or mas attractive ka kaysa sa kanya. Or, alam mo yun, tipong mas successful ka, mas matalino ka, things like that. Kasi, hindi yun naiiwasan sa relationship. Lalo na kung yung insecurity na yun, may pinanggagalingan, may pinaghuhugutan. Lalo na kung halimbawa, merong point of comparison, kaya sometimes you feel ikaw yung hindi confident, or yung person mo. So just take what resonates. 9 of Swords, maaring merong overthinking, challenges, when it comes to the communication. Pwedeng hindi kayo ngayon nagkakaintindihan. You're not seeing eye to eye with your person. You're trying to understand, but maaring isa sa inyo ay hindi ganun kalawak yung pananaw sa relasyon nyo. With Temperance here, I feel like you will try to work things out with your person. mas magiging patient ka sa kanya. You will try to understand, no? Ano yung point of view niya. Kaya nga naghahanap ka ngayon ng guidance, ng kaliwanagan, ng higher wisdom to decide. Okay? With the Page of Cups, this is about romantic gestures. Some of you, pwedeng mag-e-effort kayo na magpakita ng mga sweet nothings sa person mo, mga bagay na magugustuhan niya. Now you have the Seven of Swords, nako, and then the Four of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring hindi nyo nare-realize na meron pa tong mas malalim na problema. Okay? Meron pang mas malalim na kailangan yung tuklasin. Dahil ito yung parang foundation ng relationship ninyo. Pwedeng, kasi with the Seven of Swords, the Four of Cups, maaring merong tendencies na merong na hindi nagiging totoo sa relationship na to. Pwedeng nagkakaroon ng cheating, or merong person, pwedeng ikaw or the person that you're dealing with na hinahanap yung tipong pag-aruga sa iba, or parang yung security na yon sa iba. Kasi nga, di ba, yung cheating is also a form of ay, current, ano ba yan? May nanggugulo sa akin. May nanggugulo sa energy ko. It's like a form of insecurities, no? Na dahil insecure siya sa'yo, so hahanap siya ng tao na magbibigay sa kanya ng security. Alam mo yon? So parang yung tipong walang competition. Now with the Two of Coins, I think you are going to make a decision regarding this relationship kung meron pa ba tong potential na maging successful in the future, na is it worth it na ipagpatuloy yung relationship na to. Ayan, no? You are slowing things down, you will pause and allow things to unfold. So maaring gusto mo ngayon makita kung saan patungo yung relationship ninyo. Miracles and blessings, everything has its gift. So it's about realization na ano man yung patunguhan ng relasyon ninyo, meron yung reason, no, na maaring sa ngayon hindi mo nakikita na ito ay blessing, but it is a blessing for you, no? Parang divine redirection. Lavish the one you love with personal attention and affection. So importante sa'yo that the person you're dealing with is someone na merong pagpapakita ng attention sa'yo, ng affection sa'yo. It's not just about the routine pagdating sa relationship na kung ano man yung mga nakasanayan nyo na paulit-ulit, na parang wala na siyang feelings, wala nang meaning sa inyo. So, for you, you're going to reassess this situation, whether it is worth it na ipagpatuloy o hindi. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.